Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of event decor with a spotlight on the Chiara Backdrop arched wall. If you're in search of the perfect backdrop for your next event, look no further because we've found the best one on the market. This backdrop is a game changer for any occasion, whether it's a baby shower, birthday bash, or a dreamy wedding setup.
Let's delve into what makes the Chiara Backdrop stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk durability. Crafted from thickened aluminum tubes, this 3x6 feet arch backdrop stand is built to last.
No flimsy frames here.
Plus, the rust-resistant design ensures it stays looking pristine event after event. Now, onto the fabric backdrop cover.
Made from 100% spandex fabric, this cover is not only tear-resistant but also thicker than your average backdrop. Say goodbye to flimsy materials that wrinkle at the slightest touch. And the best part?
It's incredibly easy to assemble. No need for extra tools or complicated instructions.
You can have this backdrop set up and ready to go in just a few minutes, leaving you more time to focus on the other details of your event.
But wait, there's more. The Chiara Backdrop isn't just for one-time use.
Thanks to its versatility, you can reuse it for various occasions. From birthday parties to engagement celebrations, this backdrop has got you covered.
So there you have it, folks. The Chiara Backdrop arched wall is hands down the best backdrop you can get for your next event. Don't settle for anything less than perfection. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy decorating!